Welcome to Relation Tracker. Relation Tracker is a tool that tracks top people and organizations within each topic through time and provides different visualizations in the aim of getting useful insights about topics. This is the main interface of the website. In the above bar, we have a search box where we can select a topic. In the middle, there are different tabs to visualize different types of graphs. The right panel contains information on configuration options for the graph. Let's start by choosing a topic. Let's choose business topic, for example. In this network graph, we can find the top 10 entities mentioned in the news in the month December 13 under the business topic. The blue nodes represent the organization, whereas the red nodes represent the people. The sizes of the nodes represent the relative importance of entities relative to each other, whereas the links represent the existence of a shared events between two entities. The label of the links represents the topic of the relationship between those entities. To see how the entities are changing through time, we can move on the timeline and see the changes. If we select a node, we will get more information about the entity, like the number of articles and events mentioned in during this period. In addition to the top events that this entity was mentioned in during this period also. If you select a pair, you will get information like the number of shared events and articles and the top shared events that both concepts are mentioned in. In addition to that, you will get a list of top shared characteristics that determines the relationship between the two concepts at that time. You can see how those top characteristics vary in importance through time by displaying them on the stream graph. Also, to get the big picture about the relation, you can get all the characteristics as tag cloud by selecting the tag cloud tab. For additional configuration, you can specify the number of nodes to show on the network graph and specify the minimum number of events to form a link between two entities. You can specify the duration modes, whether you want to track based on a monthly, weekly, or a daily basis. For a custom range selection, select the interval mode, then select the beginning and ending point for your interval. You can see how the entities are gradually changing when the interval moves in time by selecting the sliding value and pressing next. Finally, there is an API for the tool that provides most of the functionality, like the top entities, information about the entities and their relations and top features, all as a in JSON format. For their documentation, please visit the documentation link provided here.